Welcome back to Wicked F150. As you can see, the truck is dirty as hell. This thing has probably not been washed in at least 2 weeks. It's been raining every other fucking day. And the only nice day that we had, I had stuff to do. So you guys seen the amp video? That was the last one I put out. The following day, I did plugs and downpipes. So the downpipes are SPD catted downpipes. They do not sell the catless downpipes anymore because of the new EPA regulations. There is no install video for the downpipes, and I will say it was a pain in the ass to put them on. But I will lay under here and show them to you. So there's the end where it comes into the exhaust. Comes up here, splits, goes up to that turbo and up to this one. So you see all this paint? That I'm not thrilled with. I did get the black ones. You can just get them stainless, I'm assuming. And it was a horrible paint job. As you can see, it just peels right off. Putting them together, look, I just scraped it with my nail even more. As you're putting them together, it was peeling off. And I probably had 2 days running the truck where you could smell it burning off from the flakes that were inside of the exhaust. Or inside the pipes from twisting them on and off. But it was a pain in the ass to get them on. Pain in the ass. This one, the passenger side, you can, for the bolts, I will explain to make it a little bit easier for you if you put them in. There's 2 of them up there, of course. The one on the right side, go in from your wheel well. This one, you're going to need extensions. That one, extensions on the driver's side to get up there. And to put it together, the easiest way is bolt this one on and do it piece by piece up this side and then over to that side. That was what we found worked best, putting it on for us. I mean, you have your own way of doing it, then you have your own way of doing it, but that's the way we found that was easiest. It does definitely sound different. It has a little bit more of a throatier sound to it now, and it does seem like it has a little bit more power to it. But today I'm going to go ahead and put on the custom tune from Brew City Boost. Right now I've just been running their adaptive Highlander tune, which from 5-star that I had before, I will say it does have more power, and the miles per gallon is better than the 5-star tune. Both, of course, are 87. The adaptive, you can put anything in, of course. That's the point of adapting. It adapts to whatever gas you put in, whether it's 87, 89, 91, 93, it doesn't matter. It adapts to that, so you don't have to change your tune every time if you want to switch gas. But, so I am happier with the Brew City Boost tune. I cannot wait to get the custom one in, and after the revisions and all of that, to finally tune the tune to this truck. It's not just a generic one for everybody. But let's go ahead and do a cold start. And of course, everybody bitches about the EcoBoost exhausts. They sound horrible, blah, blah, blah. If you're watching this video, then you already know I have the AWE 0FG dual catback non-resonated exhaust for this, and now the downpipes in it. I will put a card at the top for the exhaust video if you want to hear that, and then come back and listen to this for the difference in the sound from the cold start. They do always sound great on a cold start. So you'll hear how it sounds. I'll let it run a little bit, move it around to wash it, and so it warms up, and then do another start so you can hear the difference, because it is much louder on a cold start. It is much louder. On a warm start, it's not as loud, but it still has that throatier sound. The only complaint I do have is when you hit 4,500, 5,000 RPMs, it does get that, to me, a revved out Honda sound once you get up that high. That's the only thing I don't like. I did not have that issue with just the exhaust. I mean, it's there, but it wasn't as bad. But good things, the only complaint, and let's listen. So there you heard the cold start, and once it warms up, I will then redo it again so you can hear it on warm. Alright, and we're back, and the engine is now warm. It's to operating temperature. The truck is now spotless, thank the Lord. That was driving me nuts. Of course you can hear how quiet it is now that it's warm. Back here, it has a nice rumble sitting in idle. But let's go ahead and do a couple revs from the outside and then the inside so you can hear what it sounds like. Okay, so now we're sitting here. The first 3 revs were at 1500, then the second 3 was at 2500, and then the last ones were at 3000. So let's do it again from inside and see how that sounds. Let me turn the air down here on the screen so it's quiet. $1,500. Let's go to 25. And 3,000. I'm happy with the downpipes. Like I said, except for that paint job, that's just junk. Have any questions? Of course, comment. As always, the links to anything that I have done, period, will always be in the description below. And I hope you guys have a great week. Happy Memorial Day if I don't make another video before then. See y'all next time.